Hello, and welcome to our Okie Dokie Life. I'm Brett.
Hi, and I'm Lacey.
And today we're going to get started on, we bought a greenhouse from Amazon. It's a 26 by 10 foot, so it's fairly large for anything we've ever put up as far as a greenhouse. We're not sure how well it's going to go. We haven't even taken it out of the box yet.
I failed to kind of look at reviews. As Brett has previously stated in other videos, we're kind of impulse buyers. I saw this on Amazon. It was priced pretty decently, and I thought, hey, it's cheap enough to at least try it and see if it's worth the money.
So our first step is we kind of want it in this area, but we have to clean it up. We have a little bit of a mess from our garden last year that we just have never done. So we're going to get that cleaned up, and then we'll take it out of the box and figure out how we're going to go from here. Okay, we're going to have a little bit of ground leveling here that we'll have to do, but we kind of want to know the footprint before I ever start digging into the ground. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it, kind of make sure we have all the pieces, and then see what it's going to take for us to figure out what our footprint's going to be. First thing that I've noticed, the instructions. I'm not sure that that's going to be very easy to reference, but we're going to do our best.
Here.
Lacey screwed up. She missed a part.
When there's actually not any written word, it's just pictures and a whole bunch of numbers. Phase 3, complete. Moving on to phase 4.
The sun's finally trying to peek out of the clouds here. It's been pretty chilly and kind of windy today, so if it will, we'll be excited just to get a little bit extra warmth.
Now we've corrected our initial mistakes.
Yeah.
Now we can proceed with step 9. So, a flaw in this one. Not a big one, but you see how we put these braces? I don't know if you can see it very well, but we put braces here, and there's supposed to be braces that go over on this side too. But this entire side is missing the pre-drilled holes. And it's not that we put them up backwards or anything. There's not an extra hole anywhere on this piece. So
yeah, we verified that.
Yeah, since we have messed up
in a couple of different spots.
But so we're gonna have to just go through and drill those, which isn't any big deal.
No.
But we are probably going to do that on a different day because it's getting cold.
Yeah, we thought the sun was going to pop out on us for a little bit there, but it never quite made it out from behind the clouds. The wind's been real chilly today, and we're just kind of tired of being in it. So we're going to kind of push this where we're wanting it to be. We have some good ideas on how we want to secure it to the ground and move forward with that. But we'll have to get some supplies for that too. So thank you for joining us.
Yep.
And
we'll see you next time.
See you next time.